Okay, recording. Welcome back to the Red Monk. No, the VR Monkeys or whatever. I don't remember my channel name. That's very surprising. Okay, we're playing Animal Company. No objective.
Easy 6K, right here.
Easy 103K.
Oh,
100K.
11,000.
hello? Anybody here?
Bro, please don't, please. Yep.
Please, bro. Please.
Anybody
You're
got a
red, bro.
Oh, free?
Why are you red?
5,000K.
Stole. Bro, stole this. This is crazy. Bro, who placed down
4K,
a
guys.
thing? I have somebody's whatever. I don't know. I just got blown up.
No.
That's no fair. No. Come on. Let's
Is
sell that.
anyone in haunted house?
Thank you. No.
Currently, no. I am not spawned.
Full every. No, can I have my bag back?
Can come to haunted house?
Everybody's
Can I
getting
have
killed
my
in
bag
the
back?
server.
Please.
Not fun.
Please. Please.
Where'd my stolen
Come over this though.
oh arrow
My camera.
thing? Oh, I can't remember the game.
Say cheese.
Bro,
Mommy.
Wait,
I'm scared.
ready? Ready to say cheese?
Mommy. I escaped
Flashlight, bro.
Ready?
both of them.
Ready to say cheese?
Hold on.
Say cheese. Second.
Camera.
Cheese.
This.
Got you on 4K, buddy.
Nothing I can.
Mommy.
What, son?
Yeah.
Where'd you get that, son?
I have a
I need
I have a flash
Got
grenade.
you on 4K.
Can I have a revolver? Can I have a
Trying to
revolver?
shoot a little kid? Really? Trying to shoot
I will
a
do
little
this.
kid? A little kid.
I like shooting kids. I like
okay,
shooting
let me-
kids. Only in real life.
You're on 4K. You're on a YouTube channel.
You're on my YouTube channel, actually.
No, you're not.
You're on my YouTube channel. How do you, bro? This is not the first time I played it. Hello.
16K only?
Do you want
Can I
this?
have the gun back? Mommy.
What do you want from me?
Does any?
Can I have the gun back? I died.
Anybody want a free revolver?
Me? You killed me. So I ain't gonna give your gun back. Come to the haunted mansion if you want.
Wait, friend me if
I'm
you want a
sorry.
revolver. Friend me if you want a revolver.
Wait, I want a revolver. Who has the revolver? Can I have it?
Here, you friend me.
Okay.
What's your name?
What's your username? What's
I'm no Timmy.
your
Haven,
username?
friend me.
Everybody enter the bags
I'm
now.
Timmy.
Or I'm
Twinkle Toe 69. Okay. Twinkle Toe 69.
Twinkle Toes. Haven,
I need
my green.
Move, people, move. I'm trying to friend Twinkle Toes.
Friend me,
Green,
and
you
then
got my bag.
and then press join room
know,
once you
it's a
friend me.
server
Once
piece.
you friend me,
need
press
that,
join
bro.
room.
Is this server?
Okay,
Why
add
the fuck would
friend.
little Timmy do that?
No,
Make sure you hold it down. You have to hold it down.
Little Timmy.
Oh no, bro, these people are in my way.
Hold it down, Haven.
Okay, give me a sec, bro. I'm trying to friend you.
I'm at a haunted house.
What the heck is happening?
I sent a request, Twinkle Toes. Twinkle Toe.
Okay, so yep, I have it.
Hey, you.
So now join the room once I join it. Okay.
Okay. Bro, guys, move.
Oh, jeez.
Twinkle Toe.
Okay, switch.
Join the room.
I said don't take the...
Twinkle Toe. Twinkle Toe. Hello there. I have no idea how to activate this.
So wait for a second. Do not throw that, please. This is my friend.
Hello there, sir. I'm recording all of you, actually.
Wait, stand right here. Stand right here.
Well,
You'll
am
still
I
get
gonna
your
get
revolvers. Come over here.
exploded?
Hellboy. No. Hellboy, stop pointing a gun at him.
I'm scared.
So here, I want to show you why we're doing this, and look at how much we have.
Gosh, why do you have so many, guys? How did you do that? Duping, I bet.
My bad.
I'm
Okay,
stuck. Hi.
I'm giving you one.
Yay! I want one. Give me.
Okay, here you go. My bad. Didn't. Oh,
I don't have a bag. Where do you get the bags? Actually, I'm kind of brand new actually. Not super brand new. I want a bag. Yay! Where's my bag? Is it on my back?
yes, it's on your back. Okay, let's join a different server, bro.
Press
Give me a
join
sec. I have to
room.
put this stuff in my bag.
Hey, okay, I'm gonna have to unfriend you, bro, because I don't want you randomly joining us.
That's fine. I don't really play that game this much. How do you open this? Stop it. Bro, I suck at this game, guys. My bag! Right, now give me my stuff, please. Thanks. Don't know how to...
Okay, I'm going to a random.
Where's my... I just bought a grenade for nothing at this point. Where's my grenade? How do you open a bag? Oh, grenade. Yay. Okay, how do you open this? Like, how do you open? Oh. How do you do that? I'm new. Is that my revolver? Is that mine? Is that mine? No? Yes? Okay. Yay. How do you close this? I'm dumb. Never played this actually. Played this once. How do you... Oh, how do you do that? What button? What button? B? A? Oh, okay. Okay. Thank you. I very appreciate it. Thank you. I'm currently recording a hands up. I don't know.
Boy, I got two lucky duckies joining the
Hi.
server.
What's up,
I got
bro?
two lucky duckies. We're gonna have to join a different server because I want to dupe some more because we have kind of getting broke right
Duke?
now.
Oh yeah, I've seen my friend Duke before.
What's good? See, did the other dude join?
So, where's my revolver?
Oh my god.
Thanks,
I almost
guys.
lost
Bro,
all of that.
I'm like, I suck at this
thank
game. I literally just joined like the other day.
Wait, does it shoot? Oh, the
Hello. Oh, I'm holding my bag.
No.
never had one that shoots.
So you have to.
I want to get
No,
take out the,
you have to press B. You have to press B or Y. B or Y.
I know. That's what I'm
And
doing.
then you shoot. And then you can shoot.
Ooh, ooh.
I pressed my trigger.
Calm down. Don't shoot me. I don't want to. You stop pressing the button. But
Alright, come on. Let's go.
I'm
Guys,
actually.
come on. We're going to Haunted Mansion.
Bye. Hello.
Do you
Hello.
want to go to Haunted Mansion?
Hi. No thanks, actually.
Why?
I'll pass.
Okay, Hellboy, follow the code.
Don't shoot me, please.
Alright, we're
Trying
safe
to,
zone,
I'm
I
trying to
can't.
record a video. Okay. Goodbye. Oh, my hand's broken. Is it? Oh, look at my hand.
My elbow's broken. Why am I so tall compared to you?
Sorry about
I'm
that.
looking down at him.
Ooh, fair.
Chat.
I'm actually like 6 foot in real life, totally.
Alright, come on, guys. Let's just go to Haunted
hiding.
Mansion.
I'm hiding.
Oh, frick, wait.
Okay, goodbye. Goodbye, my VR monkeys. Oh, they scared me. Is there anybody else in here? Did everybody leave? I think everybody left. Okay, well, goodbye. This is just probably like part 1 of 2 Animal Company video. Part 2 is gonna be probably playing with my friends. See ya. I'm recording.